F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, South Central Pennsylvania's largest and friendliest pontoon boat dealer. Today I have the privilege of showing you this 2022 Bennington SXSB Tritoon boat. This boat is equipped with Bennington's Tritoon SPS package. That's their Sport Performance System package. You won't find a boat built like a Bennington. Bennington's outstanding build quality and their fantastic warranty, lifetime on anything structural for the boat, 10-year on anything else. Whether it's produced by Bennington or not, as long as it's inside the boat, Bennington will honor their 10-year warranty, and they've always been an absolute pleasure to work with. As you're shopping around for other boats, be sure to ask them if their brands are like a Bennington, if they through bolt on their cross members and panels, if they use the reinforced and thicker aluminum braces on their boats, because that's what makes a Bennington a Bennington. Bennington's pontoons, all of them, are coated in their Sharkhide pontoon coating. This gives them a nice shine and keeps them looking newer, nicer, longer, preventing them from varnish and oxidation. The SPS part of this boat, the Sport Performance System package, is visible on the Tritoons here. You can see the lifting strakes for increased performance on the center tune and on the outside or the inside of the outer tunes. The SPS also includes an upgraded 32-gallon fuel tank for the boat and C-Star hydraulic steering. If we start heading to the back here, you can see Bennington's Saltwater series logo. That is equipped on the boat, including a saltwater anode package. Heading to the back, the SB part of the model of this boat refers to the Swingback, this large sunbed in the back that we'll have a much better view of a little bit later. We've also included a stainless steel tow cage for any water sports you'd like to do on the water. Taking a look at Bennington's reinforced transom here. And the curved boarding ladder, which we've added as an upgraded feature for the boat. Packaged with this boat is this trailer. The trailer includes an upgraded 5-inch brace all along the outside of the trailer, upgraded LED lights, upgraded fenders, mag wheels, and brakes on both axles. This trailer also uses upgraded 2x6 bunks with quick slides compared to a standard trailer's 2x4 with carpet, allowing for easy, stable transportation of your boat on and off the trailer and into the water. Boat also includes a spare tire, or the trailer includes a spare tire, and an upgraded winch, ladder stand, and jack. Let's take a look at the boat a little bit closer now. The boat is a beautiful midnight black in color, giving it that nice, sharp, sleek look. It's complemented by Bennington's new smooth panels, something they've brought out in the last few years, and we've seen an increase in popularity of. You'll also notice that the rails are blacked out above the deck. That's Bennington's blackout package. The accent of this boat is Rossa Red. Gives it a nice, sharp, aggressive look. Let's head inside the boat now. Taking a trip up the stairs, we can see the silver simtex interior, again with that nice, aggressive Rossa Red accent. Uniform throughout the boat. The flooring is a silver woven bamboo vinyl flooring. Makes it nice and easy to clean and maintain, and offers a little bit of padding. Moving inside the boat here, we'll take a look at some of the seating. All the seating on a Bennington boat opens up for storage underneath, something you can never get enough of when you're out in the water. You can see the little tabs along the back of the seats here. These provide a nice grip to pull on them, nice and gently open up the seats to reveal the storage underneath. It's real easy to do. More storage here, and included is the Bennington cooler that comes with the purchase of your new Bennington boat. The interior for this boat itself is the SX interior. This SX style was given a facelift a few years ago and gives it a nice, sharp, modern feel. Take a look at the storage under here. It's very similar as it was across the boat. More storage underneath. This side, however, includes a side lounger. The side lounger here opens up for storage underneath, and currently we have a trash can for the boat. We'll take a look moving back here in the boat. On the floor, you'll see a hatch. This is part of Bennington's SPS package again, except this time it is the center portion of the middle pontoon is hollow, and it's big enough to store large water sports equipment. Tubes, boards, and skis can all fit in there very nicely. Let's take a look at the helm here. Along the side of the helm, we have a lockable compartment. Just above it, we have a small interior courtesy light. Plenty of storage under here. You can see an inside look at that C-Star hydraulic steering system. That storage is big enough to hold things such as the table for the boat. The table is detachable and comes in two pieces. The top piece attaches from the pole, and that two-piece design allows it to be easily stored anywhere throughout the boat when it's not in use. Here on the helm itself, we have our SX helm chair with both recline and swivel features. The arms do go up as well. If we turn to face the helm, we'll see our steering wheel, again with the hydraulic steering, part of the SPS Bennington package. And laid on the dash, we have our Garmin navigation system and heads-up display, a very nice feature when you're out on the water. We have our kicker stereo system, our audio and USB auxiliary inputs. We have a 12-volt plug to power any other accessories you might need. A small cup holder and the cover for our Garmin system down below, as well as the side mount controls for your Yamaha outboard. Here at F&SYamaha, we stock all size Yamaha outboards to fit your needs. Please talk to us about packaging a Yamaha outboard with your boat. This boat being the Tritoon in particular, it can be a bit confusing at times with all of Bennington's models, packages, and options, and we're all more than happy to answer your questions here. If you're looking at a Bennington, you'll primarily be speaking with Tim. He's our Bennington man. However, if he's unavailable for any reason, be sure to ask for Andy or Bob, as they'd be more than happy to answer any Bennington questions that you have. Our contact information is at the bottom of this video and will be displayed at the end. Taking a look at our Bimini here, we have, again, the blackout package rails. Inside the Bimini, we have inlaid blue ice LED lighting along one of the top rails. The Bennington Biminis, when fully extended, will provide 10 feet of shade over the entire boat. And we'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. Moving on a little bit in the boat, before we get to that, we have some additional seating. Again, we have a side lounger with storage underneath. Here's the mooring cover for the boat. The mooring cover protects your boat when it's not in use. Comes in black for this specific boat, midnight black, and comes standard with the purchase of your Bennington boat. The mooring cover and the poles are all included. Taking a look now at the back of the boat, this is where the model actually gets its name. This is the Swingback feature. The Swingback is a large sunbed and also a bench seat. A quick conversion is pushing up on the reclining portion, and now we have our big Swingback sunbed as comparison to our bench seat. It's all enclosed with this upgraded stainless steel keeper rail with a chain that latches on to the rear door. Heading to the back here, we have our reinforced extended aft deck, as well as a curved boarding ladder we talked about previously, upgraded for the boat. And again, we have our water sports cage that sits right over top of your Yamaha outboard. Heading back through the boat here, we'll take a quick pause. We'll set up the Bimini for you. We'll show you what that looks like when it's all fully set up. Here we can get an idea of what that 10 feet of shade looks like stretched out over the boat. As you can see, it covers the better part of the helm and the rear seating area. As I'd mentioned just before, we can look up and see the Bimini blue ice LED lighting. This provides some really nice accent lighting when you're out in the water in the evening. It's also worth noting that when the Swingback is in the lounge position, the bed itself actually opens up for storage underneath. And included is a changing room. Once fully set up, an arm will swing out, the changing room will drop down, and it can be snapped along the inside of the tray in here for a step-in changing private area when you're out in the water. Also back here we have the battery for the boat. Currently just a temporary battery to power accessories for demo purposes. You can put the bed back down, and we're back to our sunbed position. Please do not hesitate to give us any calls at F&SYamaha. We also take special orders, so if you see features on the boat here that you like and you'd like some more information about that, please don't hesitate to call and ask for Tim. At F&SYamaha, we also always have boats on order. So if there's a boat that you like that we have on order, we can put your name on it, and it'll help speed up that process of getting that boat off the assembly line and to you. Thanks for watching.